Hello, Happy New Year. Welcome to the boxing back up of my East Coast livery. Nice fans on that. They turn around as well, so the dummy car ones. Right, so I'm boxing everything. Well, I'm boxing this set back up. It's been out for a while. This one's a bit ripped. And it needs putting away basically. So I've already done the dummy car. Can you slip in it? Oh. So if I'm putting stuff away, you want to put it away perfect. I think you just slip that down there. Like that. If you've got a better way of boxing it, you can always tell me. It's a very weird video. We're doing the opposite. Instead of unboxing, we're boxing. So put that back there. Lovely. You think all these extra couplings, these are for the, I'll stick them in here. There's all them couplings extra that are from all the carriages because I've put lovely magnetic couplings on. It won't fit in. It'll fit there. Yeah, right, there we go. So there we go. Now we're going to box it back up. The box is in absolutely gorgeous condition because, well, you can sort of see it in brand new because it is brand new. I've only had it a few months. Cost me for these two ends 230 quid, which I thought was reasonable considering it's so heavy. I'll slide it back in hopefully, and stick it back on the shelf, and then we'll carry on with the carriages to unbox them up and all. Should have the light on really, look at that, it's a bit dull isn't it? Anyway, one sec, put that away, that goes back up there, out the way, lovely. And then we've got, over here, all these to box up. All the East Coast one. This one's the kitchen one, I think. No, it isn't. That's the first class one. Right, so what is this one here? So what we've got first, so which one do we think this is? So what I usually do, go to the number. It says there, which you won't be able to see, 44061. So you look for that. So I think this might be the first. 44061. Not them two. It's one of these. No. It's got to be one of them. Here, it's this bottom one. So this is the guard. Oh, if you guess, it's got the bit on the end. I should know that anyway. Doors again. Right. So we're going to box this guard one back up. In 1 sec. So that's how it looks out of the box. Okay, with the guard there, the guard end. Right, and now I'm going to box it back up now. The trick to opening these, you need a pair of scissors or a knife. Got my trusty knife. So what you do, you don't open it with your fingers because you rip the box. You slide it in there and then just do that, and it pops open like that. Did you see that or not on camera? I'm going to demonstrate again. I might have missed it. Slide it in like that. It opens and you don't rip the box in. Okay. Now, this is like a pain to do, isn't it? Everybody must be in the same boat though. When you get your, when you're putting it away, there it is, upside down, back to front. There we are. Just literally do that. Secure. What I usually try and do is stick this on the top, this bit of plastic. Sometimes it stays on, sometimes it just falls straight off. Do that, and that, and then just shove it back in. There's no couplings, they're all in that other one, and another one, they're not in this one. Oh, you know, the extra pack things. Right, so we've done one. That's one done. Right, next one is the buffet. Right, 1 sec while I go and get it, it's over here. There we go. So this is the buffet car, as you can see. It's got like a lot of blocked out windows here, and then that's probably where the kitchen is, I've no idea. And then the other side's different, look. See, that doesn't have any of that white bit there. Nice one that. And then this, I got this second hand, this one, because they're going for 40 quid min. on rails, but I got it from TMC and it says 30, but you can make them an offer on second hand, on pre-owned. So this one cost me 25 and it's brand new, and it already had magnetic couplings on, which I'm using anyway, so big bonus, because these magnetic couplings are amazing. Love them. Get the Hornby buckle eye ones, so good. Right, here we go, another one. So plonk it in there, and then put that down. This does not come with a plastic wrapping thing because it's second hand and there wasn't one in it. And then it's the same thing again. Put it in here. Like the new year tidy up. What we're doing today. You see my horrible arm, no? Well, it's come open at the other end now. Right, so that's two done. I'm just showing you how long it takes to put them away. Right, next one is looking. Where do I? What I'll do. Bring them along. The good thing about this magnetic coupling, just watch this. You can see it. Just hold both sides and pull apart. There you go. That's all you have to do. Now what I have to do is find what it is. It is 41098. So you find the box that says it on. It ain't that one. Here it is. So this is it. So this one is a first class disabled. This one. So you put it in. Do you release? Open it up. This is one I've actually bought brand new. So this one will be. Should have the plastic bit with it. Oh, and it's got look, it's got them as well. I don't know where they are, not on the pack. There'll be somewhere though. I'm not worried. I think I used them on the. What's the other one called? Oh yeah, the Transport for Wales one. So this is the disabled first, going back in. Lovely. Right, what you do, get your thingy. Put this on the top if you can. Possibly hold it there. Very hard to hold this in place, I tell you. And put that down. Done. And then I always sellotape the little bag to the top, what you're not using, and it's always there next time, isn't it? Now, this one away. If you're not bored by now, amazing. What you have to do sometimes though, if you're bored, which I'm sure no one is in the model railway road. Right, we've only got two to go now, and then I'll stop the video for you. So here we go, do the same again. So these are your magnetic, these are the ones from Hornby. Right, the video went off. Right, this is the last one. This is the first class. First class coat with a squash box. All the boxes squashed there, look. Anyway, here we go, get it out. Last one to box up. It's always nice. I thought there's two lots of. What's happening? This has got everything. This has got. Oh, that's weird. That needs sellotaping down. That needs sellotape. 1 second, everybody. Get bored watching nothing. What I do is sellotape it. I hate sellotape. Sometimes you can find it straight away. Sometimes you can't find it at all. A minute. Stick that down there. That won't go off again. Right. Here we go. This is the first class one. Very nice looking coach. One back away. It's got all the new. I love the new bogies on them. They're amazing. There we go. I'll give it for a second. The quickest one I put it back in, and then that is it. So that has now frees me up the main line on my layout, so I can swap two trains over all the time, which is better. And there we go. That's all put away now. So that's that one, which is the first. That's the standard. This is the first class disabled. This is the kitchen one, which is the most, well, they're all about, I've paid the same for them all really. And that's the guard one, and they're all done. Right, so I suppose we could watch something go around for a minute, and then I'll just put these away 1 second. There, they're all back on the shelf. Right, I can light it up. One sec. There we go, that's all lit up. Now, we have a Class 87 on this line. You won't be able to see it very much, I don't think. So look, see if you can see it. Coming round now. That's gone round. See if I can get the little pecket to come round. You can see it going round in the back end, can't you? The pecket's coming round. Little Lady Cornelia. Little treat for you all because you waited so long if you waited to the end of this. And the pair de resistance is the train of the year. Can you hear my flu? For last year. And it's the J15. She's absolutely gorgeous. You can see it. And there it goes. Beautiful little train. And the little packets, look at that. Meow. Lovely. Anyway, like, subscribe and share. I'll try and do a video every weekend and one in the week. But there'll be a gap. I'm going away for a week to get warm because it's quite cold in the UK now in January. It's proper coming on. So, but yeah, I bought another one today, Class 68, which I'll unbox soon instead of boxing up. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching if you're still here. See you soon. Bye.